Kris Jenner is turning heads and challenging age norms in her latest MAC Cosmetics campaign. And you won't believe how stunning she looks. Today, MAC Cosmetics has been buzzing with excitement as they unveil their collaboration with the iconic businesswoman. A photo that leaked earlier today created quite a stir, but now fans can finally enjoy the complete campaign. In an official press release, MAC announced, after an unexpected leak made waves online this morning, "We are thrilled to present Kris Jenner as the new face, pun intended, of our I Only Wear MAC campaign, which highlights our renowned iconic Studio Fix foundation line." Captured by the talented Dutch photography duo Inez and Vinood, the 69-year-old mother of six showcases her remarkably youthful and flawless complexion, enhanced by MAC's celebrated makeup products. In one playful video, she confidently asks, "Can your foundation do this?" as she struts on a treadmill in high heels while preparing a refreshing martini. In another clip, she relaxes in a giant compact, reflecting, "My skin, my shade, my features, MAC." Earlier this year, Jenner made headlines when she appeared rejuvenated after undergoing a facelift performed by the highly sought-after plastic surgeon, Dr. Stephen M. Levine. A representative for Jenner confirmed to Page 6 that Dr. Levine was indeed the expert behind her youthful appearance, stating, "We can confirm that Dr. Stephen Levine did Kris Jenner's recent work." Although they did not disclose specific details about the procedure, the September issue of Vogue Arabia featured several captivating images of Jenner, along with an interview where she opened up about her recent cosmetic enhancements. "I had a facelift about 15 years ago, so it was time for a refresh," she explained. "I decided to do this facelift because I want to be the best version of myself, and that makes me happy." Many observers have noted that Jenner, who will celebrate her 70th birthday next month, appears even more radiant now than she did in her 40s. So, is MAC's foundation truly the secret to beauty in a bottle? Well, it certainly plays a part. But let's be real. Dr. Levine's skills are nothing short of magical. What do you think? Is it all about the makeup? Or do you believe that cosmetic procedures play a significant role in achieving such a youthful look? Share your thoughts in the comments below.